Everybody, welcome back to day 25 of the art unit. So today is quiz number 1, and it says look up at the screen before starting for instructions on how this will work and how to label your paper. So in a second, I'm going to show you how you're going to label your notes right here. And we're doing it this way because Canvas is still not working. I emailed and reached out and they said they fixed it, but they didn't. And I had to log in again. And yeah, it restarted the whole thing. It just got me into a brand new account with the same email I logged in with, and the whole entire course was deleted. So I don't know why that's happening. Um, so today we're going to do it through PowerPoint and with your notes. So go ahead and get the document camera all set up. Here we go. And how you're going to set this up is you're going to label your paper 1 through 10. Now, here you can notice 1 through 9. You need a writing utensil, so use a pen for this. And then 10 on the back. And I'll explain why there's so much space given for question 10 when we get there. So all you need today is your notes and a pen. So I'll give you guys a second to get that all set up there. And then we'll go ahead and dive in to the quiz. All right. So basically, how the quiz is going to work is you're going to get 1 minute per question. Now, you can obviously pause the video to answer the question, and you're going to write A, B, C, or D next to each number. Okay. For 10, I will explain why there's a lot of space left over when we get to question 10. There's only 10 questions, okay? So it's really easy. Modification for this, you can do 5 of the questions and then the 10th question. I'm fine with that. And then for the 10th question, when we get there, I'll give out some modifications for that as well. So how this is going to work is you're going to get 1 minute for each question. Now, when we get to question 10, I will explain that, okay? But 1 through 9, you're going to get 1 minute to answer each question. Now, originally it was going to be 30 seconds, but I'm given 1 minute because these questions require, some thinking. Obviously, when you get towards the end, it'll require more thinking. Towards in the beginning, it's really easy without thinking. But I'm gonna give 1 minute for each question. And the first timer is starting right now when you guys get the question. Alrighty, go ahead and get your papers set up and let's dive in to the quiz. And then on the 26th, I will see what we're going to do for that day. I'm not sure, or I might just do it for a day where I don't upload. But I think I will have a video and I will share the correct quiz questions. I'll give the correct answers. We will go over the quiz together as a group. Alrighty, let's start with question 1. Here it is. 1 minute starting right now. And if you already finished, hang tight. Alrighty, moving on to question number 2, starting now. Alrighty, question number 3. Here you go. Minute starting right now. All right, we're going to move into question number 4. And now that we get deeper into these questions, you are not allowed to use the book. This is a quiz. It's common knowledge. The book is not allowed during quizzes or tests. All right. Or your notes are not allowed either. So you're just guessing. If you don't know, just best guess. All right. Here we go. Question number 4, starting now. Moving on to question number 5. Minute starting right now. Alrighty, question number 6, starting right now. Question number, ooh, that was long. Question number 7. Okay. Question number 7, starting right now. Question number 8. Okay, this one requires a bit more thinking to it. Okay, so the correct answer might not be the longest answer. So, good luck. 3, 2, 1, starting now. Alrighty, question 9, starting right now. Alrighty, that wraps up the 9 questions. Go ahead and move into question number 10. And this is going to be a written response. So, The question is, why are backgrounds so important to be taught and practiced in art? Not just in our art unit, but in general. Why do they need to be taught slash practiced? Also, give your own definition of a perfect background. So, where will you write this? You will write this in your notes that you're doing this in, so that when we turn those notes in for the unit, I can take a look at those responses. So, I want this written in a paragraph. So, you have 10 silent minutes to complete it. Okay? So, that means I'm going to cover my camera just like this. And I'm also going to put myself on mute so that I can give you guys full focus to write this down on your notes, okay, on question 10 on the back. That's why I gave you extra space to do that. So, without further ado, you guys 10 quiet minutes to complete this. If you choose to pause the video and write, that's fine. And the modification for this is you can write like a few sentences. That's fine. Okay, that's fine by me. So I'm gonna go on mute and my camera is going to be covered so I can give you guys the full 10 minutes to focus writing on this. And if you finish, that's fine. Just wait for the 10 minutes to go by or fast forward the video. I just like to set timers so that if people don't like fast forwarding or if it's too much work, then this is kind of easier, but don't make fun of people, okay? And this is the way I do it. I like to do it this way. So yeah. Alrighty. Ready, set, go. We will meet back in 10 minutes. Go. We have about 5 minutes left. So go ahead and finish up what you're writing. 5 minute warning. All right, we have about 1 minute left. So if you're still writing, go ahead and finish on up. And that is it for today. That wraps up quiz number 1. Okay. If you didn't finish, that's okay. Go ahead and pause the video and finish. Now look up at the screen so I can wrap things up and see you tomorrow. So, if you finished quiz number 1, you can go ahead and put your notes away because you are done. You completed it all. Tomorrow I will go over the right answers. The 27th we have the painting a background. I haven't decided full background yet. 28th we have project materials intro and quiz number 2 maybe. And then after I do quiz number 2, I will have to get the project all set up with modifications. So there is that. And then tomorrow, after I show the correct answers, I'm not too sure what we have planned right after that because that'll take a short amount of time to do. So I'm not too sure yet. So I'll keep you all updated through the community posts. And I hope your guys' quiz went really well and smoothly. Alrighty, I will see you guys tomorrow.